Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another unboxing and quick review. This time we're taking a look at another pair of Nike Air Force 1 shoes. This model is called Upstep Premium. So let's take a look in the box. Okay, so the color is metallic platinum. And it's my girlfriend's shoes, so it's the woman's model. And the shoe is called Upstep because the sole is a little bit thicker. And as for the materials, we have leather here on the logo. We have leather here around the laces. Leather here, I think. This is perforated leather as well. Or some kind of synthetic material. We have suede here on the toe, the top of the toes. We have suede here on the heel. Some suede here and the Nike logo. And inside the sole inside the shoe, we have textile. Feels pretty stiff. The shoe is pretty stiff, but then again it's a thicker sole. We have flat laces in textile. And we have the new Air Force 1 sole that I don't really like because a lot of stones and small rocks get stuck here. So I'm not a fan of this one, but they feel really good on your feet. Yeah. Let's see what they look like on my girlfriend's feet.
So I think that these shoes are more comfortable than the normal Air Force. And the fit is definitely better also than Air Force, the normal. Because of the Upstep, the cushioning is a lot better and it's actually fitting my foot better than the normal Air Force. The laces is maybe the bad thing about the shoe. If I have to say something bad about this shoe, because they're like already damaged when I got them and I haven't even worn them yet, so that's a little bit negative, but otherwise I think it's a really good and comfortable shoe that really fits small feet for once, because I have really small feet. And I also think that the weight is a lot better than the Air Force, because Air Force is so heavy and this one is not at all. So that's a really good thing.
Cool.
I will definitely be using these a lot in the spring and summer. I give them 10 out of 10.